Hello everybody.
My name is Markiplier.
Today we're playing Wapong 77. I've done a little bit of practice. Oh shoot. The beginning's pretty easy. It's just a little bit easy ship gameplay. Instead of missing these orbs, you smack the orbs. I don't like hitting the orbs, I'm not gonna lie. I don't like them. And that ticks me off. I hate practice moves so much. Percentage was not accurate. Now you gotta do a little bit of smarterness in this part because, yeah, it's stupid. I am stupid, actually. This song's weird. I don't like it. Paint engine. There we go. Easy. So let's go play it normal mode now. I really like the furnace theme. There we go. New best. I might do a hot level series because this level looks in a very 105 degrees Fahrenheit, more like 300 degrees. Looks like you're in a furnace. Progress. La two. A little bit of size mixing. A little bit of weird ship gameplay. La two. I'll buffer it. I don't like buffering it. I like clicking it late because I'm a weirdo. I'm a freak. At least that's what people say at school. Just kidding. I mean, I'm probably not wrong, actually. And then you gotta hit those orbs. Pretty easy. La two. La la. Do a little bit of flying action. Button. Up. Straight fly. I want to get to the wave. The cool wave. The wave. Yeah, exactly. Man, you know, if I wasn't dumb. La. Bro, I need to shut up and just actually, no. I don't know, actually. I have zero idea what I'm doing. I should probably do another practice run, but I don't want to. I'm making good progress as is. I want to make it past the ship. The orbs in the ship part. But I didn't click it, I'm fine. Okay. Okay, ship. Yay! No, we're gonna do some start positioning. So let's play. I'm very consistent at that now. I forgot how to play the first part now. Oh my gosh. Air pixel molecule death. Dying to the beginning now. By the time I get to the end, I'm not gonna know how to play. Dude, I just can't. Although I do like the glow decoration, the fire aspect. I love the fire aspect. You're retarded. I really hope I can fluke it once I get past the beginning.
No.
There's one thing I hate. That.
For reference, what you're supposed to do is fall here, click the orb, and flip your gravity up here. But it's kind of impossible because clicking a frame late will cause you to just fall into the spike.
I hate it so much. Shut up! I hate this level. I actually like it a lot. The gameplay is somewhat intriguing. What? No. La. What am I talking about? Shut up, dude. These allergies are ticking me off. Everything's ticking me off. If I had to change one thing about this level. You stupid. See that? You stupid yellow orb. I hate you so much. I hate it. This and that. You should not exist. At least put it in the middle so you can hit it no matter what. It's ticking me off, bro. It's annoying. If I could beat the level, maybe. Of course, it turns me mini and then I plummet to my death because mini gravity is just way heavier. Hate it. You never can tell when it's gonna shoot you into the block or shoot you into the stratosphere. Cause, gameplay, sucky, garbage. Just gonna say that. Just put that out there. You have to go so much lower than you think, or it's much tighter than I think, and I just suck at the game, which may be a great factor of why I suck at the game. But anyway, give me a 45-minute long video of just me ranting about how much I hate this level. It's not a bad level, the gameplay is just kind of bones. You know, I jump there every time practicing it. It's only a matter of time until I jump there when I almost beat it. We're making progress, so that makes me happy. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, there's hope. There's hope. The practice has paid off. Hopefully. Maybe. Perhaps. I hate you. And now I'm back to hating the level. I made it one good run and I hate the level now. Because I keep dying. Actually syncs to the music very well. It just sucks though. I like the like white gears. Reminds me of like hot coals. You know when they're like cooled off? Hot and cooled off. I'm retarded. No, when they're like not hot, and then they like turn white or something. Whenever that happens, I don't know, I'm just yapping. Retention! Audience retention! No one's gonna care though, because I only get 3 people that watch my videos. Subscribe! Just gonna put that out there. Subscribe. Who knows, maybe I'll get monetized by this video and like be famous. I really like that bit. Don't jump, you moron, they're they're saws in a way, not spas. Not the hot tub. Did it again. Oh well. We're mildly consistent. I'm getting consistent at the orb part in the ship, so we should be fine, quite genuinely. Why am I so strange? Put an F block there. Or like an SH. No, am I retarded? HS. Whatever block it is that. F. Force. No, I'm retarded. F. It's an F block. I know it is. As in, when you hit your head, it flips gravity. Although they should have lowered that, quite genuinely, because I hate the click. It sucks so much. Why didn't I jump there? Oh my gosh. Can I, like, beat the level, perhaps? Perhaps? La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I love making bad decisions. I'm just kidding. You know what a bad decision was? That yellow orb. That yellow orb was a bad decision. They're like, how could we make this gameplay buns? Yellow orb. Yellow orb dumb. Dumb yellow orb. No, I'm literally straight flying and it just runs into me. Like, so like, you're like, you go to do spike just straight into you. Beautiful diagram of examination. Examination? Am I retarded? Yes! The answer is yes, I am retarded. What?! I would never die to that yellow orb, even though it's dumb. The yellow orb's dumb. What the heck am I talking about? You can die there?! I forgot to jump, dude. You don't jump! You don't jump! What? You're telling me you can die there? I mean, obviously you could, but like... Ow! So I wasn't recording, but I just got 82, meaning I'm getting very consistent. Dang it, really? Dang it! Oh, come on. No! The last click! I died to the last click! You can die there? There's nothing there. And I died of the pink orb. Of course I died of the pink orb. You can't do anything about that. I'm not making this up. I keep dying to the end. Come on, I was so ready for it. Hello, everybody. We're playing Pain Engine today. Yes. And we're gonna beat it with good posture. Yes, sir, people. Why am I clicking? Why? I just like... Yep, robot section. It's a robot section. Just tiny micro clicks and see if we can do anything as the robot. I just suck at the game because I suck at the game. Literally, for the sole purpose of being horrendous at this game. What am I talking about? Gosh dang it! Stop! What am I doing? Oh my gosh! I hate this bubble.
But alas, my suffering drew near its end, and I finally did it.
Finally, dude! Oh my goodness! I'm so glad that's done. Yes! 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 So nice. GG. That was quite fun. Oh my gosh! It does. It does. I never realized that. Magic. Anyway. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you made it this far. If you liked it, subscribe. If you didn't, subscribe. Like it, comment, do all the things the algorithm likes to make the algorithm happy. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.